In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn Robux from the game you've created. To do this, just open your browser and type create.roblox.com in the search bar. All you need to do is go to the Creations tab from this section. Make sure here that the game you created is set to public. If it's not public, you can make it public from this section. Select the game where you want to add the game pass. From here, click on Passes. To create a game pass, just click on this button. From this section, you can upload your game pass image. From this section, you can choose the name of your game pass. To create it, simply click the Create Pass button. It's that simple. Your game pass is created. To set a price for this game pass, just click the three dots and select Open in New tab. From this section, just go to the Sales tab. The first step is to select Item for Sale. Then set the price from this section. The recently added feature is Enable Regional Pricing. By enabling this option, the game price is automatically adjusted for different countries based on the price you set, usually showing a lower price for each country. Also, keep in mind that 30% of the price you set goes to the game itself. To save the changes, simply click the Save Changes button. It's that easy to create game passes for your games and earn income through them. Using the Game Pass ID you receive, you can activate it in your game with a simple script. In upcoming videos, I'll guide you step by step on how to do this. See you soon.